We try to do a lot of research on who the jurors are even before they come in. In certain counties, the defense attorneys and the prosecutors are able to go to the clerk and get a list of everyone who has received a jury summons for the day that the case is scheduled to go to trial. If we have time and if the client has resources, we either designate interns or investigators to run everyone's name through Google and through Facebook to see what pops up. And it's not done in this invasive way, but we're just trying to gather as much information as possible to figure out who we're putting on the jury even before we have everyone seated in the box. This is incredibly useful and it's incredibly beneficial because sometimes the jurors aren't being honest, especially when they're trying to get on the jury. We've had a case once, high-profile case, and there's a juror that gets voir and he says, I don't know anything about the case, haven't really been following the news, don't know anything about the case. So I asked to go in the back, and we go in the back with this juror, and I tell the judge that I have posts of this juror commenting on the case, on my client, expressing an opinion, talking about how guilty the client is, and these things are a huge issue, and what is a bigger issue is that the juror was dishonest with me, the judge, the prosecutor, with probably hope of getting onto the case and getting to serve on the jury. So that juror got struck, and had we not done this background research, I don't think we would have been in the same position to be able to bounce him off the case and not burn a preempt challenge. This is the benefit of the social media. So yeah, definitely. We try to get as much insight as possible in order to put our clients in the best possible position.